everyone! My name is Bruni and I'm a senior this year. I am involved in a multitude of clubs and activities. I am president of Drama Club, president of Diamond Key Club, co-president of Athletes Helping Athletes, vice president of National Honor Society, and treasurer for National English Honor Society. I'm also a member of Community Service Club, Chorale, VJM Journal, and a few more. So to answer a few of your questions about what it's like to be a student at Villa, how many hours of homework am I assigned per night? So I would say that it definitely depends on the class. AP and honors classes are bound to give you more homework. So this year I have 4 APs and 1 honors. So I would say probably I have 5 or 6 hours of homework, but those 5 and 6 hours also include distractions, social media, dinner. So that's just from when I start my homework to when I'm going to bed each night. So it's definitely less than 5 or 6 hours, and probably more accurately around 3 or 4. What does a typical school day look like? So I usually have a club or meeting in the morning, so I'm getting into school around 7 o'clock to be greeted by Mrs. Adams. And then I go to my club or meeting, and the warning bell is 8 o'clock with an 8:03 start time, so our school day runs from 8:03 to 2:45. Classes are 44 minutes long with 5 minutes to get in between each class, so it's plenty of time to get to your class. And most of my classes go over some form of homework from the previous night, and then we're learning new material for the rest of the night. And in your classes, you may have a mix of different grade levels, which is one of the nice things about Villa, because you have friends across all different grades. It's not just exclusive to your grade level. So our lunches are 4th, 5th, and 6th period, and they do not rotate like the rest of our schedule, meaning that the lunches stay the same time, and the rest of the classes rotate for 2nd, 3rd period, etc. So after the last bell rings, I normally have another club or activity in the afternoon. For me, that's usually play practice. For other students, it may be a sport or just another club. So I hope that answers a few of your questions. Please feel free to reach out to Villa or Mrs. Gahagan, and I would be happy to answer any more questions that you may have. Good luck to our prospective students in making your choice. I really hope you guys choose Villa. It's such a wonderful place, and I've been so blessed to be a part of this community for the past few years.